Air fryers are a household essential for quick and healthy meals. The best air fryers whip up crispy, delicious results without any added oil. These energy-efficient appliances will also save you from turning on your oven or your stove every time you want to cook, saving a small fortune on your energy bills. So in this video we will discuss 5 best air fryers. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. COSORI Pro 2 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. Though it's not the least expensive air fryer on our list, this COSORI air fryer is a great value. It's straightforward, easy to use and can feed an entire family without costing a fortune. It has a 5.8 quart square basket, which offers a lot of cooking space, especially compared with its round competitors. The basket is removable and lightweight, with many vents for optimal air circulation. The control panel is loaded with presets that are programmed with recommended cooking temperatures and times, including a preheat option. The COSORI air fryer can also be used in a manual setting if none of the presets aren't the perfect fit. In our tests, the COSORI scored high for ease of use, and more than 21,000 5-star reviewers on Amazon agree. It also made good fresh fries and wings quickly. Our tester did note, however, that while the air fryer made juicy chicken wings, the chicken breasts came out a bit dry on the outside. There was still good color and no charring, though. Functions: steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, toast, bake, preheat, keep warm. Number 2. Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact is a good air fryer for people who cook only for themselves or for someone who's new to air frying and wants to try it out. At 1.7 liters, it can quickly cook one portion of food. The smaller footprint means it takes up less room on your counter, and its compact basket means easier cleaning. This model has a dial timer, which makes it a little tricky to program to the exact minute. The temperature is also set via a dial and doesn't offer many options, but we found the Dash was still a good pick since we use the max 400 degrees Fahrenheit temperature to air fry most foods. We love that it comes in an assortment of colors that pop, unlike most air fryers on the market. The aqua, pictured here, is a fave. Comes in an assortment of colors. Doesn't require as much counter space as full-size models. Amazon's choice. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. This 5.5 quart basket-style Ninja Air Fryer Max XL was the top performer in our air fryer test. It scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and clear and useful owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's removable tray and slick, ceramic interior, which makes it non-stick. The tray also fits snugly and securely on the bottom of the basket, so you don't have to worry about it falling out when you turn the food out onto a plate. Both basket and tray are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to hand wash. In addition to being easy to use, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL scored the highest in performance. It produced crispy and evenly cooked frozen fries and homemade fries as well as chicken wings that were moist on the inside. The model we tested comes with a broiling rack for even quicker and juicier results, and a fast way to create melty cheese. Performed the best of the basket-style air fryers. Easy to use. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus ClearCook. Air fryers from Instant, the same brand that makes Instant Pot multi-cookers, have been on our list of best air fryers since we started testing them. The ones we tested, including this one, are easy to program and high-performing. This one particularly stands out for its see-through window design, which allows you to peer inside without pulling out the basket. It also has a light that can be turned on manually and that turns on automatically right before the timer goes off. In our tests, chicken wings cooked in this 6-quart ClearCook model came out crispy, golden and juicy in just 20 minutes, and frozen fries were moist but crisp and evenly cooked without shaking midway. This air fryer has a preheat function built into it, which takes about 3.5 minutes to reach 400 degrees Fahrenheit and chirps when ready to cook. It does not require you to press start again after it preheats, should you want to put your food in from the beginning and walk away. It also alerts you halfway through cooking in case you want to shake or turn the food. Preheat function. Manual light turns on right before the timer goes off. Functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat and dehydrate. Number 5. Instant Mini Vortex 4-in-1. The Instant Mini Vortex is small, powerful, and one of the cheapest models we tested. While the wee basket can fit only serving size at a time, the machine circulates heat fairly well and manages to cook food without dehydrating it. The Instant Mini Vortex 4-in-1 is proof that size isn't everything. Despite its tiny, 2-quart capacity, it was the smallest air fryer we tested. It held its own against much larger machines. Though the Instant Mini square basket is a little more than half the capacity of the COSORI's and nearly a quart smaller than the Philips's, it could fit a meal big enough for one hungry person, or two snacky people. Depending on the food, such as French fries, which can be stacked, brownies, or pizza, the Instant Mini can fit nearly as much as the Philips Premium or the COSORI Pro LE thanks to its wide, shallow shape. What's more, this air fryer cooked food more evenly than most of the others we tested. Its streamlined interface has only 4 pre-programmed settings: air fry, roast, bake, and reheat, all operated by a single dial, which makes the Instant Mini easy to use right out of the box. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.